Alright, Facebook, once again, you've given me some fodder with BlueCrate for my AliExpress shopping. So these are some 3D print socks, and I saw them once at Target as different types of prints, and quickly learned that this kind of thing is usually synthetic, small fitting, so you can't have really big feet or fat ankles for that matter. So BlueCrate is selling them as a drop shipper, $8.95 US, $12 Canadian. They're giving you a choice of 3 different kinds: tiger and dog and cat. And if you buy all 3, you save 10%. And then, as usual, I forget what the deal is with this, but eventually you get free shipping, I think, if you order up to, I think, $40 worth of stuff. So, 3D paw print socks. Look at that. I was playing around with it. If I go all the way with the 3D animal paw socks, it didn't take me long to figure out that the average price when you're actually looking at a full price is about $4, $4.19 here. These guys have a whole bunch of other prints, and this is kind of why I was saying the other ones are probably good to have only because some of them, like that, those are pigs. They're kind of obscene. Anyhow, there's those ones, and then I even found some others. But a good lesson here also is to just look at some of these other guys. See, this one's $4.04, 2 to 4, no, and free shipping. And there's all of those kinds. There's the cat, for instance, so it'd be $4.02. So that's what I was saying. They're about $4. And I bet if I played around in here enough, I would be able to find one listing where at least one type was significantly cheaper than the others. So you see how that $1.18 up there is actually this sold out item. That's really common. These ones are $4.37. So if I'd done my normal low to high, I could have played around even probably faster. Oh yeah, I noticed these ones too. Again, about $4 a pair, $3.71 free shipping. Not sure why the shipping on the outside of here disappeared, but whatever. So it looks like they took this concept and did kind of a grainier print of them. And again, 3D socks are really easy to make, and they're more common than I thought. That ad implied. So if you play around with that, you're gonna find your socks sometimes for significantly cheaper. Oh yeah, and if you see these, if you click the United States and it could ship to the United States, it'd probably be like $8 shipping and $2.79 for the socks. So I always just go with China, and then it's $2.79. So there you go. That's kind of a demo of how the paw print socks can be found on something other than BlueCrate.